Good morning. This month marks 1 year since I left my corporate job in 2023. I've been self-employed since, trying to create the life I love while spending time meaningfully with my loved ones. It's midweek Wednesday and we're making an impromptu trip to Johor, Bahru to get our teeth clean and do what we usually do each time we head in. Come along as I bring you on this day trip up to Malaysia. Many of you know I always default back to a multi-currency platform whenever I travel because it never makes sense to use our credit card abroad. It isn't my first time using Wise. Remember this video when I was living in Korea? It provided great exchange rates and it brings me great joy to introduce them to you today. This trip was so impromptu, I didn't get to change any Malaysian ringgit beforehand, but thankfully I have Wise, who is kindly sponsoring today's video. Wise has many currencies supported on the platform and ringgit is one of them. I'm topping up 200 Singapore dollars via PayNow, which to me is the easiest way to funding the account without any fees. But of course, besides PayNow, you have bank transfer, debit and credit card top-up as well. A QR code is provided, which I then screenshot to upload via my bank as it pre-fills the necessary details, and within seconds, the amount arrives into my account, ready to spend with the Wise debit card. As I didn't know how much I needed today, I changed half of what I had topped up, and if there are any leftovers, I could withdraw them back to my bank account. Select the currency of my choice. Fees and exchange rates are shown transparently before you make the exchange. I compared the rates and it was very similar to what I've gotten on Wise. What's more is that I get to save the time spent traveling down to a physical money changer and I don't have to deal with cash in my wallet. If you're looking for a platform that provides competitive rates for your travels, look no further than Wise. Sign up with my link down in the description box below and get a fee-free transfer of up to £500, an equivalent of 850 Singapore dollars.
Hospital. Your kind of joke, girl. Yeah.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back, cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back, cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. us against space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
Yup, I lost my card. Well, instead of letting it ruin my mood for the rest of the trip, I thought to myself, is this good for content or what? So what Wise can do if you do lose your physical card like I did, you just need to open up the Wise app, click on the card tab and freeze. This way, anyone who picks it up won't be able to transact with it, and I'd still be able to use the virtual card, which is different from the physical card via my mobile wallet, Apple Pay. So anywhere that allows you to do a contactless payment, you still can use Wise, which was what I had done for the rest of the trip.
Thank you.
I'm heading to Jeju next week with the family, and I'll need to have the physical card with me to withdraw Korean won at a local ATM. I'm replacing my misplaced Wise card right now. If you're not already on Wise, use my sign up link today and get a fee-free transfer of up to £500, an equivalent of 850 Singapore dollars. If you have watched all the way up to this point, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.